I get wet at the thought of you.
Do you know, in the digital world, one skill can open multiple doors, and affiliate marketing is one of them. It's like throwing one stone and hitting 5 birds. Because it's not just about promoting a product, it's about building your voice, your confidence, and your presence online. Every time you share something valuable, you're not just selling, you're learning how to communicate, connect, and influence. Without even realizing it, you're developing real, in-demand skills: content creation, video editing, social media management, and research. Because behind every post, there's strategy. You study the product, you find real, reliable information, you understand your audience, you follow platform rules. You create content that actually matters. And while you're doing all of that, you're not just learning, you're also earning. That means you're gaining real experience even without a formal job. You're building skills that people get paid for, starting from where you are. This channel is for people who want to grow, people who are ready to take action and improve themselves step by step. I'll be sharing real, practical ways to build and master skills so you can show up with confidence and turn what you know into something valuable. If you want to grow in the online world, start building your skills today. And if you're on the same journey, this space is for you.